So, for today, this is our first meeting, di ba? Ano, ah, mostly naman sa inyo, medyo familiar na ako. But then, for today, ang magiging agenda muna natin is, first is finalization ng ating schedule. Ano? So, if you have any concerns with your schedule, kung may conflict ito ating schedule, erase na ngayon pa lang. Okay? Next, we're going to have the introduction. So, I would just like to know what are your expectations ito sa ating subject natin. And after that, we're going to have the core syllabus, yung ating core syllabus discussion. And then, brief introduction lang ng ating design project na gagawin with this course. Okay? So, start tayo with our first agenda. Meron ba sa inyo na may conflict pa sa schedule dito sa section natin? Or okay na sa lahat? Sige, paki-raise hand lang kung meron pa. Okay, wala na. Sige, proceed na tayo with, ayan, may nag-raise hand. Castor, anong concern mo?
Sir, may concern lang po ako kasi po ang per subject ko po ngayon ay 7 to 10. Ay pag even week po ay face to face kami tas mag-online po. Pwede ka pong maliit ng kahit konting oras dahil po
Sige, okay lang naman.
tsaka po sa face to face po natin.
Okay. Sabihan na lang din ako kung malilate ka kasi katulad nun, pag face-to-face natin, siguro i-schedule natin dun yung ating mga assessments like yung quiz natin. So,
Okay po, sir.
hindi ka dapat malate kapag ganun yung ating gagawin.
Okay po, sir. Thank you po.
Okay, may isa pa nag-raise hand. Sino yun? Okay, Marquez, anong concern mo?
Hello po, sir. Good morning po. Ganon din po yung sa akin. Yung 7 to 10 ko po na ngayon po ay face-to-face po. 10 to 11 po ay online po.
Ano palang class niyo yung 7 to 10?
PPD po.
So, parang face-to-face tas mag-online kayo. Pero okay lang naman na dito kayo sa section na to sasama. Okay lang naman. Okay, sige. Other concerns? Meron pa ba? Wala na? So, proceed tayo with our introduction. So, gusto ko lang ding malaman what are your expectations dito sa ating subjects. So, again, this course is ME 417. This is refrigeration systems. So, medyo critical na to with the mechanical engineering. So, ano talaga natin to? This is one of the specializations ng mga mechanical engineers kapag we're talking about refrigeration and air conditioning. So this is the start kasi prerequisite ito ng air conditioning. So hindi kayo makakapag-take ng air conditioning kapag hindi nyo maipasa itong ating refrigeration systems. Okay, so course code natin is 417. Nasabi ko na pala. And I will be your course instructor dito sa subject. I am Engineer Giancarlo Lalong Isip. So, hindi ko lang din ma-open cam yung laptop ko kasi sira yung camera niya. So, paki-open cam naman. Tapos, let's have the introduction one by one and this will serve as your attendance for today. So, once I called your name, kindly state lang what's your name and siguro address, and then what are your expectations in the subject. Sige, proceed tayo with Abrea. Abrea, nandito ba?
Good morning po, sir. I am Park Anthony R. Abrea po from Bawan, Batangas. My expectation po for this subject is to learn about po how refrigeration and heat, yung pong connection po nila sa isa't isa, and also po yung mas matuto pa po um, sa air conditions din po. Thank you po, sir.
Okay, thank you. Pero hindi pa naman natin i-discuss yung air conditioning. Pero once na magets natin yung sa refrigeration, mas madali natin maintindihan yung air conditioning. Okay, next natin, Aguado, John Patrick.
Good morning po, sir. Ang expectation ko po sa subject na ito is to be fun but at the same time to acquire more knowledge po about heat transfer. Thank you po.
Okay. So pero ano na tayo, level up na. Heat transfer is the prerequisite nitong ating refrigeration. So more on components din tayo dito. Next natin, Aguila.
Good morning po. Kasi meetings ko lagi na po from Bulletin po. The expectations po from first subject po is more on analyzation problems po and level up. Katulad nga po na sabi niya is level up po from heat transfer.
Okay, sige. Later on, I will be presenting naman ano yung mga madidiscuss natin topic. Next, Alcantara.
Good morning po, sir. I am from San Juan, Batangas po. Ang expectation ko po sa subject na ito is challenging po pero marami pong matututunan.
Okay, next natin, Alvarez. Andito ba, Alvarez? Parang wala. Aniyayahan?
Hello, good morning po, sir. John Palaniahan po from General Trias, Cavite. And my expectations po for this subject is magkaroon po ng mas solid na appreciation ng HVAC-R. Like, maging precursor po siya para mas magkaroon po ako ng solid context po.
Okay, thank you. Next natin, Balan.
Good morning po, sir. I'm Ironami Asbalan po from Alcala, Pangasinan. Ang expectation ko po dito sa subject ay magiging mas mahirap po siya since sabi niya nga po ay isa po siya sa mga specialization po ng mga ME. Yun lang po.
Okay, thank you. Next natin, Basi. Nandito ba, Basi? Okay. Parang wala kang audio. Ako lang ba yung di nakakarinig? Okay, sige. Next na lang muna tayo. Bayeta.
Good morning po, sir. I'm Samson Beta from Ilihan, Batangas City po. And expectation ko po dito sa subject is magkaroon po ako ng knowledge about air conditioning and ma-apply ko po yung mga past knowledge ko na natutunan sa ibang subjects po na related.
Okay, sige. Pero ano ha, again, this is refrigeration. Hindi pa to air conditioning. I will be discussing what is the difference of the two naman. Next natin, Bepon.
Good morning po, sir. My name is Gerald Loren Liberon from Santa Rita, Calzada, Batangas City. Ang expectation ko po ay sana po ay mas ma-understand po yung kung paano po nagana yung mga refrigeration and yung mga condenser po ng mas malalim. Yun lang po. Thank you po.
Okay. Sige, thank you. Next natin, Cabral.
Good morning po. My name is Natalie Colleen A. Cabral. Ang expectation ko po sa subject na to ay smooth sailing lang po, pero po challenging din po.
Okay, thank you. Next, Cabriga.
Good morning po. Hello? Hello? Ray po ba? Ay, okay. Good morning po. Rian Mar Alcabriga po from Tayaba City, Quezon. Sir, expectation ko po ay marami po kami matututunang knowledge na ma-apply po namin sa field po. And marami po kaming ma-apply din na knowledge na natutunan po namin from past subjects po. Yun na po. Thank you po.
Okay, thank you. Next, Camo.
Good morning po, sir. I'm Giancarlo Camo from Pinamucan, Batangas City po. Expectation po ay ma-apply po yung mga concepts po at cycles ng thermodynamics. But this time po, we'll see it working po in drill machines po. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next natin, Castor.
Hello? Rinig po ba, sir? Yan, good morning po. I'm Erlicfred M. Castor from Bawan, Batangas. Expectation ko po is challenging po since madami pong analyzation po dito sa subject na ito. Pero tuturo niyo lang po kung paano mas madaling masosolve. Yun. Thanks. Good morning ulit.
Okay, thank you. Next natin, Katapang.
Good morning po, sir. Ang expectations ko po ay hindi po magiging madali po yung subject po, pero marami pong matututunan na tungkol po sa mga refrigerator po at sa mga condenser po.
Okay, sige. Next natin, De Torres.
Good morning po, sir. Paul Andre De Torres po, taga Alangilan, Batangas City. Ang ina-expect ko po ay hindi nga po magiging madali, tapos matututunan po yung mga application po ng heat transfer. Pero mas level up.
Okay, sige. Next, De Villa. Okay, sige. Next is Guerra.
Hello po. Good morning po, sir.
Hello, tapos na ba si Isgara?
Hello po, sir. Hindi po ba narinig po?
Ayun, sige. Sige, have your introduction. Isgara.
Hello po. Good morning po. Ako po si Andres Sierra from Calatagan, Batangas. Tas ang expectation ko lang naman po sa subject is yun nga po mahirap pero mapapagtulong-tulungan naman po natin.
Okay, thank you. Next natin, Flores.
Good day po. I am Ashley Nicole Flores from Batangas City, and I expect po to gain both theoretical knowledge and also practical skills na rin po regarding refrigeration system.
Okay, sige. Thank you. Next natin, Fortaleza.
Good morning po, sir. My name is Roger Bernardo Sebi Fortaleza po from Talongpok proper, Batangas City. Ang expectation ko po sa subject na to is mahirap po siya, pero dahil naman po na magaling kayo magturo, magiging madali po siya para sa amin. Yun lang.
Next naman. Okay, sige. Next natin, Hizon. Wait lang pala. Si Garalza muna.
Hello po, good morning po. I am Calvin Kent Giralza po from Bawan, Batangas, and ang expectation ko po sa subject na to is mas ma-enhance pa po ang aking analyzation skills pagdating po sa mga itatakal nating concepts and problem solvings po. Thank you po.
Okay, next, Hizon.
Good morning po, sir. I am Marius Lorenzo Hizon from Muntinlupa City. Yung expectations ko lang sa subject na to ay magkaroon ng mas deeper appreciation sa mga refrigeration systems natin and other similar systems na ginagamit natin in our daily lives.
Okay, thank you. Next natin, Laideros.
Good morning, sir. I am Christian Laideros po from San Jose, Batangas. Ang expectation ko lang po for this subject is marami pong matutunan regarding po sa mga basic principles like sa mga thermodynamics and how refrigeration works po. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next, Leones.
Good morning po, sir. I'm Ivan Luigi Luis B. Leones po. Ang expectation ko po sa subject po na ito ay magiging challenging po ang subject na ito. Ngunit, mapapadali niyo po dahil mas may turo niyo po ng mas detailed po at may expand niyo pa po ang knowledge namin at makakatulong po ito para po sa sunod na subject namin po, which is ang aircon po. Lang po.
Okay, sige, thank you. Next natin, Liwanag.
Good morning po, sir. I'm Japet Tay Liwanag from San Jose, Batangas, and ang expectations ko po for this subject ay matutunan po and have a deep understanding in the principles po behind refrigeration systems at magkaroon po ng foundation for aircon po.
Okay, thank you. Next natin, Bagnaya.
Good morning po, sir. Ako po si Lance Errol M. Magnaye from Bawan, Batangas. And expectation ko po ay marami pong matutunan about cooling po.
Okay, sige. Next natin, Magtibay.
My name is Ronald Harry Magtibay from San Jose, Batangas, and the expectation ko for this subject is for it to broaden my knowledge about refrigeration.
Okay, next, Mangilo.
Hello po, sir. I'm Neil Francis Mangilog po from Bawan, Batangas po. And my expectation po or my hopes na lang po sa subject na po na to is through your lectures po or lessons po, sana po makahelp po siya for me to pass the air conditioning subject po next semester. Thank you po.
Okay, sige, thank you. Next natin, Manlugon.
Good morning po, sir. I am Kim Kent Manlugan po from Calaca, Batangas. And ang expectation ko po sa subject is mas pagtitibayan po nito yung foundation po namin sa mga systems po na nag-involve po ng temperature. Yun lang po.
Sige, thank you. Next, Manzano.
Hello po sir, good day po. I'm Manzano Sergeant Free from Laguna. Expected ko na po na hindi ganun kadali yung subject pero I know naman po sir na mas magiging maalwan po yung pag-pick up namin sa lesson at saka yung flow ng ating lesson kasi ikaw na yan sir. Okay.
Sige. Siyempre, I'm trying naman to simplify everything, para mas madali ding ma-absorb. And then, ayun. Try natin ulit. Okay, next, Marcus.
Good morning po everyone. I'm Queen Fairly Marquez from San Pascual, Batangas. My expectation for this subject is to understand how it works, how to operate it properly, and how to ensure efficient and safe cooling temperature po.
Okay, thank you. Next natin.
Good morning po, sir. I'm Mitchell Ann Madrano po from San Pascual, Batangas. And expectation ko po sa subject nito is magiging mahirap since for application po ng previous courses and to gain more knowledge about the components and principles of refrigeration systems po.
Okay, sige. Thank you. Next, sino ba sunod? Mendoza.
Good morning po, sir. I'm Lyra Rashida S. Mendoza from Sampaga, West Batangas City po. And my expectation po is to understand how refrigeration po is applied in our life po and to gain practical knowledge na din po.
Okay. Sige. Ayan, next natin. Wait lang, sino pa yung last? Miranda.
Good morning po, sir. I'm Miranda Lance Francis from Calamba City, Laguna. Ang expectation ko po sa subject ay, like mentioned po earlier, mahirap po. And sana po, by the end of the course po ay malaman ko na po kung ano yung sira ng ref namin. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Baka naman mag-ayos na nga tayo ng ref pagkatapos nito, ano? Ayan. Sige, next natin, Mutia.
Good morning po, sir. I'm Princess Mutia from San Juan, Batangas. Ang expectation ko nga po ay mas magiging mahirap nga po ang subject na to pero makakatulong po ito para po mas improve po.
Okay, sige, thank you. Next, Orozco.
Morning po, sir. I'm Sebastian Orozco po from San Pablo City, Laguna. And ang expectation ko po sa subject ito is magkaroon po ng deeper understanding sa concept po ng refrigeration system. Kung paano po mag-function po ang isang actual.
Sige, thank you. Next natin, Recinto.
Morning po, sir. I am Lebron Angelo Recinto from Lipa City, Batangas. And ang expectations ko po sa subject na to ay mas magkaroon pa po ng deeper understanding sa design and heat transfer. Thank you po.
Okay, next, Robles.
Good morning po. I am Mark Engio Robles from Balayambon, Batangas. Expectation ko po sa subject A, since ref po, parang sa HT din po na medyo marami pong solving, ganun. And siguro naman po ay mas mapapadali. Though marami pong solving pero mas mapapadali po, mapapalinaw. Gawa po pag kayo po nagturo. And para preparation na rin po siya sa aircon po na subject na sa ethics. Thank you po.
Okay, sige, thank you. Next ay, sino ba ito? Saa.
Good morning po, sir. Ako po si Dexter Saa from San Teodoro Oriental, Mindoro po. And ang expectations ko lang po ay mas mahirap po. Yun lang po. Thank you po.
Okay, next natin, Santonino.
Good morning po, sir. I'm Wolfgang G. Santonil from San Pascual, Batangas po. Ang expectation ko po ay mahirap pero mas mapapadali pa parang sa kumbas natin.
Okay. Next, Tan.
Hello, audible po ba, sir? Good morning po. Ako po si Joseph Nathaniel M. Tan from Binyan, Laguna po. And yung expectation lang naman po siguro is katulad po nung sa iba na magiging fundamental po siya for the following semesters and magagamit nga po yung mga previous learnings from the previous semesters din po.
Okay, thank you. Next natin, Umali. Wait lang pala. Si Tumbaga pala muna. Tumbaga.
Good morning po. I'm Sharice Tumbaga po from Bawan, Batangas. Ang expectation ko po with refrigeration system is of course magagamit po namin yung mga concepts and or formulas na natutunan namin with heat transfer po. Thank you po.
Okay, thank you. Next, Umali.
Good morning po, sir. Angelbert Emmanuel Umali po from Bilago, Batangas City po. Ang expectation ko lang po sa subject is, kahit sabi niyo nga po na level up po ito, ay tutulungan niyo po kami magkaroon pa po ng understanding sa refrigeration systems at saka po yung mga practical uses po nito na magagamit po namin sa aircon po na subject. Thank you po.
Okay, sige, thank you. Next natin, Villanueva.
Good morning po. Aliana Villanueva po from San Pascual, Batangas. Ang expectations ko po dito ay syempre madami pong matututunan, lalo na po in terms of theoretical knowledge, tapos po kung paano ko po ito i-apply sa real world HVAC at saka po sa industrial refrigeration systems.
Thank you. Next, Villena.
Good morning po, sir. My name is Benedict Villena po from Lasana City, Quezon. Ang expectations ko po para sa subject na to is mas challenging siya compared po to heat transfer, pero sana po is matulungan kaming magkaroon ng deeper understanding for refrigeration and of course po for AC din. Thank you po.
Okay, last na to, Vinyas.
Good morning po. I'm Angela Micael Viñas from San Pablo City, Laguna, and expectation po is ma-learn po how refrigeration system works and that siguro po more knowledge pa po na pwede po namin ma-bring pag once mag-take na po kami ng aircon. Thank you po.
Okay, may hindi ba ako natawag? Meron? Basi, naligtan ka nga ata kanina.
Opo, sir. May audible na po.
Oo.
Good morning po, sir. I'm Lotus Nada Carza Basit po from Nasugbu, Batangas. Expectation ko po ay hindi po magiging madali matutunan ng subject na to dahil sobrang challenging na po ng mga computation dito. Pero with the help of you, sir, positive po ako na mas lalo po kami maliwanagan at madalian po para po sa susunod na subject which is yung aircon po at magiging maayos po sana ang flow ng learning namin. Yun lang po. Thank you po.
Ayan. Wala na. Natawag na lahat. So, looking at your SR codes, this is mixture pala, no? May mga 4th year, tapos may mga 3rd year. Tapos, ito ata yung mga nasidante ko dati ng machine elements. Ayan. So, kakatapos lang din ng mga to, ng mga 3rd year ng machine elements. Kay Sir Barreto.
Marami po din ng mga additional costs like po yung insurance, tax, tapos yung
Bakit may sad face? May mga hindi pa nakapasa sa machine elements.
Tapos, yung mismo
Ayan.
po natin. So, lahat
Nako. Sige, proceed tayo with our
titingnan natin kung ano pa. Pag ang profit natin ay
Nako naman. Ayan, sige, proceed tayo with our next agenda. So, I already heard your expectations. So, let's see kung yun yung magiging flow or ang mangyayari within our semester. So, I will be presenting yung ating core syllabus to discuss ano ba yung mga class rules natin and wait lang, bakit wala dito yung syllabus ko? And to know yung ating class policies and our grading. Ano ba yung magiging pagkukunan ng inyong magiging grades?
Sabi dito is
Makikita na ba yung screen?
So in this case, choose the best process.
Okay, so this course is Refrigeration Systems. Course code ME417. This is a fundamental. This is a fundamental course, syempre. And then yung prerequisite nito is heat transfer. So nakapasa na kayo ng heat transfer, kaya kayo ay nagtitake ngayon nitong subject na to. Okay, so ang credit hours natin, this is 3 hours lecture. So 3 hours per week yung ating meeting. And ang course instructor nito is ako and Sir Jolo. Nagkaroon ng revision with our grading system. So, ni-request daw na magkaroon tayo ng at least 3 na major exams. So, 3 na yung magiging major exams natin, hindi na 2 lang katulad ng mga previous semesters. So, this will be the breakdown ng ating assessment. So, yung preliminary examination natin, this is 15% of your final grade. Midterm exam, that is again 15%. Yung final exam is 20%. And then magkakameron tayo ng problem set, 20%. So this is problem set and quizzes. Magkasama dyan, problem set and quizzes, that is 20%. And then we have the design project na 30%. So meron tayong design project na gagawin. So later on, I will be discussing kung ano yung gagawin sa ating design project. Okay, so ano ba yung ating intended learning outcomes? So, tama naman yung inyong expectation. This is more on application and analysis of your previous courses. So ILO1, that is apply your knowledge of mass and heat transfer to solve problems in refrigeration systems. Analyze problem involving different types and components of refrigeration systems. Evaluate open-ended engineering problems in refrigeration systems, which involves critical evaluation of design components and system operations. Develop a complete design of a cold storage or ice plant or any industrial application of refrigeration system. Okay, so again, ito yung ating breakdown ng ating assessment task. So 15, 15, 20, 20 yung problems and quizzes, design project is 30%. So 30% tayong ating design project. So that will be one of the most critical indicator kung syempre kung mapapasa nyo itong ating subject na to. Aside from our major examinations. So this is our reference books. Diyan lang din naman kumukuha ng diyan lang din kami kumukuha ng mga information. So paki-add na lang din diyan, pwede nyo gamitin yung libro ni Hipólito. Hipólito for refrigeration and air conditioning. So next natin. Aware naman lahat with our grading system. Yan din naman yun. Tapos, for our class policy, nag-student ko na naman kayo dati, kaya alam nyo yung ating sa attendance. So, very important ng ating attendance. That because, sabi nga dito, prompt and regular attendance of students is required. Total unexcused absences shall not exceed 10% of the maximum number of hours required per course per semester. So, ang ginagawa ko meron tayong index card pakidala na lang next face-to-face. Sa face-to-face meeting natin, 1/8 index card. And then, send ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga details na ilalagay. Okay, so sabi niya na 10% of the maximum number of hours required per course per semester. So kung meron tayong 18 weeks, that will be 3 hours. So 18 times 3 is 54 and then 10%. So dapat hindi kayo makaka-absent ng at least 4 meetings. Okay, so wait lang, sorry for that. Then next natin, we have the missed examination. Siyempre, students who failed to take the exams. Okay, sorry. May nice na kami dito. Sige, continue tayo with our class policy. We have the missed examination. Siyempre, pag meron kayong hindi na-attend na exam, dapat you have a valid reason. And then, academic dishonesty. Siyempre, that is cheating and plagiarism in connection with any academic work natin. For our dropping naman, kung may balak mong mag-drop, mag-drop na before the midterm examination. Pero huwag na naman mag-drop it. Tuloy na din. Okay, and this will be our teaching, learning, and assessment activities. So, ito yung magiging flow ng ating semester. So, ito yung mga topic na i-discuss natin. So, we are going to try our best para masunod itong ating schedules na to. Okay, so for week 1 and 2, that is the orientation and introduction natin. So, ngayon lang tayo nag-start kasi medyo nagkaroon pa ng konting pagbabago with our schedule. Dun sa iba. So, wala naman nagbago sa schedule natin. Dun sa iba, may naging changes pa ng schedule. So, ang magiging week 1 natin is, syempre wala tayong nagawa, kaya nasa week 2 na tayo. Yung week 2 natin, kailangan matapos natin hanggang introduction to refrigeration system. So, this will be our discussion tomorrow. Bukas ba? Ayan, so tomorrow, may meeting tayo bukas. So, our first topic will be the introduction to refrigeration system. So, ito naman is basic lang. We're just going to discuss ano yung mga terminologies na dapat alam nyo, the components, yung applications, and the codes and standard na ginagamit natin when it comes to refrigeration systems. For week number 3, we're going to discuss naman yung ating refrigerant. So, ano ba yung pinagkaiba ng mga refrigerant na yan? So, paano tayo mag-analyze ng mga different refrigerant na yan? Ano ba yung silbi ng numbering ng refrigerant? Ano yung designation niya? Ano yung safety classifications? The refrigerant concentration limit and the refrigerant classification. Okay, so next week din, week 3, we're going to discuss yung ating ideal refrigeration cycle. So ito namang ref natin, this is just the reverse nung ating this is just the reverse nung inaaral natin nung term. So this, kung makikita nyo kapag nagdi-discuss na tayo, this is more like our term 2. So but then in the application na yung ating magiging working fluid is the refrigerant. And then we have different components compared to iba na yung components na gagamitin natin compared dun sa mga steam cycles natin. Okay? Next natin, the ideal. So, yung ideal natin, the Carnot cycle. So, ang ideal, di ba, the Carnot cycle is our ideal cycle in thermodynamics. But then in refrigeration, the ideal refrigeration cycle is the reverse Carnot cycle. So, i-reverse lang natin yung Carnot cycle. I-discuss naman natin yun. Then, for week 4, magpuproceed na tayo with our standard vapor compression cycle. Siyempre, meron tayong ideal, but then, as we know, that is the ideal cycle. Pero, we still have, ano ba yung ginagamit talaga? Ano yung feasible talaga? And that is our standard vapor compression cycle. So, ang una natin i-discuss sa week 4 is yung simple lang. The simple standard vapor compression cycle. And that will be the coverage ng ating preliminary exam on week number 5. So week 5 may exam na agad tayo. Hanggang simple standard compression cycle. So after na ating preliminary exam, ang next naman natin is di ba napag-aralan na natin yung ating standard vapor compression cycle. So ang magiging sunod natin is the effects of operating conditions. So dito na tayo magkakameron ng different configuration with our components ng ating vapor compression cycle. So we have yung ating subcooling and superheating. Nandyan pa din yan. So, applicable talaga yung ating knowledge from thermodynamics. Okay, so next natin, syempre, meron tayong standard, but then, meron pa rin tayong actual. So, sa actual, dito naman papasok yung ating efficiencies. So, yung compressor, may efficiency yan. Yung ating evaporators and yung iba pang evaporators, condensers, expansion valve, may mga efficiencies yan. Kaya naman, ang next natin sa standard will be the actual vapor compression cycle. Okay, so target natin week 8, we're going to have the problem set number 1. And then week 9 will be your midterm examination. So ang coverage ng ating midterm examination is the standard vapor compression cycle and the actual vapor compression cycle. Okay, so after midterms, since na-discuss na natin yung vapor compression cycle, pag-aaral naman natin is the multi-stage refrigeration cycle. Dadagdag na tayo ng compressor, magdadagdag na tayo ng ibang component. So, yan na yung ating magiging next discussion. We have the compound system and the two-stage compound system with a flash cooler. Pero may magiging additional to, hindi ko lang na-add pala tong content ito. Okay, so that is our topic for 3 weeks. At least 3 weeks siguro. Pero tingnan ko pa din kung ano yung magiging flow ng ating discussion. Okay, next natin. Sa week 13, we have our quiz. So, quiz after nitong multi-stage refrigeration cycle. And then, the remaining weeks natin, itatry natin itong pagkasahin hanggang week 14. We have the air cycle refrigeration system and the steam jet refrigeration cycle. So ito naman ay more on introductory part lang. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo, ito yung mga ginagamit nating mostly na refrigeration cycle. Ayan. So next natin, we have our problem set 2 ng week number 14. So, kailangan tapos na natin yun kasi week number 15 will be the design project presentation. So, you are going to have a defense of your design project. So, medyo critical na to kasi again, you are going to design a refrigeration system. Pero hindi simpleng refrigeration system hindi yung ref lang. Hindi yung ref lang sa bahay. So, this is more on the industrial refrigeration system. So based on the concepts that we are going to discuss on this course. And then, target natin week 15. Pero pag hindi kaya ng week 15, hanggang week 16 tayo magkakaroon ng presentation. Presentation ng itong gawa. Okay, so kung kaya pa, meron tayong special topic pa for refrigeration. Siguro ang napili na lang din namin is itong cryogen. So, basta kung kaya pa ng time, we are going to discuss more special topic in refrigeration systems. And then week 17 natin is the final examination dahil ang ating submission ng grades is week number 18. Okay, so ito lang naman yung ating content ng core syllabus. So do you have any question with the syllabus? Wala namang question? Okay, sige. So, tinanong ko lang muna, ilan ba yung section? So, you are 46. 46 kasi section na to. So, wait lang. Okay, sige. Next agenda tayo, the groupings for your design project. So, design project natin, syempre, you are going to design an industrial refrigeration system. So, dapat simula pa lang is nagko-conceptualize na tayo. So, yung guidelines naman to be followed. But then, ang gusto ko unahin muna natin is your groupings. So, you're going to be grouped into 5. So, 5 per group tayo. 5 per group. So, ako bang magugrupo sa inyo or kayo nang mamimili ng kagrupo nyo? Sige, raise hand nga kung ang gusto nyo ay kayo na yung pipili ng kagrupo nyo. Majority na ba to? Sige, 24 yung 25. Okay, I think majority na yung may gusto na kayo yung mag-grupo. So kayo nang bahala sa grupo nyo. You are 46, so may isa lang na mag-aanim siya. Isa lang isang grupo lang yung mag-aanim. And the others, the rest, 5 per group na. So anong gagawin nyo? Ano munang uunahin nyo? Anong unahin nyo in preparation for your design project kung bakit ko kayo kinrupo na agad? So you are going to look.
May sasabihin nga ako sa'yo.
Wait lang. Wait lang ha. Okay, hello. Balik tayo with your design project. So kayo na yung kayo na yung bahalang maggrupo sa inyo. Wait lang. Senda lang pala ako ng Google Sheet para din makita ko yung groupings nyo.
Dami ko sa dapat. Embrace thank you so much.
Groupings.
Masal! Ngayon ka pala magbe-breakfast?
Yan, kaya pag keep style mo na isa, images yun.
Okay, pacheck na lang kung na-open na yung ating Google Sheet. So, paki-follow na lang. Pakilagay na lang dito yung magiging groupings ninyo. Ayan. So, anong uunahin? Wait lang, may nag-reason pala. Miranda, ano yun?
Sir, question lang po. Magkakaroon po ba tayo ng module or lecture notes?
I will just give lecture notes natin every end ng chapters.
Sige po. Thank you po.
Okay, so concern pala, ano ba yung gagawin? Bakit kayo ginrupo na? Siyempre, para masimulan nyo na yung ating magiging design project. Ano ba yung hahanapin nyo with your design project? So you are going to look for the actual, for example, there is an industry or merong lugar na kailangan ng cold storage. For example, this company, kailangan nila ng cold storage for their products. For example, cold storage for the frozen goods. So, ganun. You are going to look for, kailangan natin is may background talaga yung ating i-design. So, magde-design tayo ng actual, yung meron talagang kailangan nung ating gagawin na refrigeration system. So, ang gagawin nyo, you're going to look for place kung yung ating mga lugar or company or industrial application na kailangan meron silang ng industrial plant na kailangan nila ng cold storage. Kasi ang unahin natin is you are going to prove na kailangan nila ng cold storage. Kailangan nila ng refrigeration system. So maghahanap kayo, pwede namang existing. Pero for example, meron na silang cold storage, but then you are going to improve the design. So you are going to propose a design ng cold storage na improve dun sa kanilang existing na cold storage. Okay? Nagigets ba yung gagawin? Ang unahin kasi natin, hindi pa naman, we're not going to have the analyzation muna. Kasi, syempre, hindi pa naman natin na-discuss yung content ng ating refrigeration system. Ang uunahin natin, we're going to look for your target. Yung target nyo na didesignan, and then you're going to prove sa akin, you're going to state bakit kailangan nila ng cold storage. Bakit kailangan nila ng design ng refrigeration system. So start brainstorming, start conceptualizing, start looking for cold storage, for your cold storage design, for the location ng inyong cold storage design. Okay, naiintindihan ba yan? Siguro by next week, per meeting natin, kakamustahin ko na lang what is your status. Kung nakapaghanap na ba? And then, kasi pupush natin that within week 5, before tayo mag-preliminary exam, everyone already have the topic. May topic na lahat so that after that, magpuproceed na tayo with the construction ng inyong design project. Uunti-untiin natin yung design project nyo para sa week 15, makakapag-present kayo ng maayos. Okay? So, paki-proceed na lang with the groupings. Ilagay na lang dito yung groupings. Tapos, start brainstorming for your design project. Okay, do you have any concern? Other concern? Question from our syllabus, the course policy? And our, ating class policies. Meron ba? Wala na namang question. Wait lang pala. Wala pa tayong GC, no? Sa Messenger. So, medyo nahirapan din kasi akong, parang na-experience ko last sem, medyo mahirap pag sa Google Chat. Paki-create naman ng Google Chat sa, ng group chat sa ating Messenger. Tapos pa-add na lang ako. Wait lang, sinong class rep pala dito?
Sir, ako po, pero si Lance Francis po yung coordinator po namin on this subject.
Okay, so may coordinator naman pala. Coordinator, please take charge. Ikaw na lang pakigawa ng GC, tapos pa-add na lang ako. Tapos all of the announcement will be posted on that. All of the announcement will be posted naman on that GC. Okay, if you don't have any other concern, sige, mag-create na lang ng GC para kung may tanong ka, doon na lang. And if you don't have any other concerns for this time, you can already leave our meeting. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po, sir.